The newly issued document, China's National Defense in the New Era, covers 6 aspects: an analysis of the international security situation, China's national defense policies for a new era, the missions and the tasks of China's armed forces, reform in China's national defense and armed forces, defense expenditures, and China's contributing to building a community with a shared future. The white paper says that resolutely safeguarding China's sovereignty, security, and development interests is a fundamental goal of China's national defense in the new era. It says the South China Sea Islands and the Diaoyu Islands are inalienable parts of Chinese territory. China exercises its national sovereignty to build infrastructure and deploy necessary defensive capabilities on the islands and reefs in the South China Sea and to conduct patrols in the waters of Diaoyu Islands in the East China Sea. To solve the Taiwan question and achieve complete unification of the country is in the fundamental interest of the Chinese nation and essential to realizing national rejuvenation. China makes no promises over renouncing the use of force and reserves the option of taking all necessary measures. The white paper also says China's national defense is one of never seeking hegemony, expansion, or spheres of influences. The military strategic guideline for a new era adheres to the principles of self-defense and post-strike response. It says we will not attack unless we are attacked, but we will surely counterattack if attacked. The strategic goals include improved information and strategic capabilities, as well as complete modernization of the military by 2035, and by the middle of the century to transform the People's Armed Forces into world-class forces. Wang Hui, CGTN, Beijing.